I'm Rachel Kaplan. I'm an impact producer with Film Campaign. I joined the team last year to work on the outreach for a film called The Oil Machine about North Sea oil and gas.
And my name is Ben Kempas. I founded Film Campaign some, 9 years ago now, to use the power of documentary for change.
We've all had that moment when we've been in the cinema and the lights go down and the credits roll and there's this aha moment, a light bulb goes off and we're feeling something very strong, very powerful at that moment in time. And that's really, I've had that experience myself in the cinema many years ago and realized the power that film has to engage people with ideas, and particularly campaigns and causes, various social issue documentaries, which is what we've been specialised in and working on with many impact campaigns. For me, yes, it's about that. It's about the power of storytelling and connecting the audience in the cinema with the ideas on screen.
I came across NationBuilder in 2011 when the Scottish National Party was using it as like an alpha client of NationBuilder in the run-up to the Scottish Parliament elections that they then won in a sweeping landslide. And that was really an illustration of sort of how NationBuilder helps people get organized. And I thought we need that sort of level of getting organized in order to work and maintain our audience. With kind of any project we've worked on, there's like a great variety of things you can use NationBuilder for.
Yes, working on the campaign for the oil machine, the past 6 months or so, we set up a way for people to request screenings on our website for community screenings and events, businesses, schools, colleges, etc. And have received many hundreds of requests. We can really zoom in and find, organizations like, oh, look, there are these grassroots environmental organizations or community organizations that are already following us, connected to us on Twitter or have signed up on our mailing list. And we can see that they're within this small town. So reaching out to them and saying, would you like to get involved? Can you help us promote? Or would you like to speak at the screening? So there's many ways that NationBuilder has helped us to build out the audience for these screenings and events.
I'm always surprised, looking at other impact campaigns, they manage things with a spreadsheet in their email inbox.
No.
And that may be working when you're like a solo impact producer and you have it all in your head, all the missing bits. But as soon as you're working together in a team, all these people will be interacting and all these people will have ways of interacting with our outside contacts, our prospects. And if that doesn't get tracked in the same system, then you completely lose the oversight. And especially if somebody happens to be less available at some point and we don't know who that person has interacted with, it's essential to have a CRM at the back, like the people database in NationBuilder, to make up for that. Well, the exciting news is that can we actually say this? But we have funding confirmed for more of the oil machine, taking it out of the UK and going really international with it. So we're super excited about that at the moment. And not to forget, we have recently become a NationBuilder Alliance partner. So that gives us the perspective of bringing many different nations together in one big headquarter nation, with a perspective of that longer term impact of being able to go back to people in the future and keep using that people power going forward. And that means anybody who works with films, with documentaries, who's interested in using NationBuilder, please do talk to us about the opportunities that we can now specifically offer you under that NationBuilder Alliance model.